Okay, so I'm here today to explain the new MSD 300. It's a total touch display, can power the voltage and have the percentage of power for each volt you have. It weighs now 7 pounds. All the cables quick disconnects. And if you're a route guy or a hail guy, the benefits of this is saving stretched metal. That's the main thing you're gonna do with it. You can also build body lines, fix chrome bumpers, and it's an all-around good tool. It's well worth its money. It's not like an insurance policy. You actually get your money back with this. Okay, so the MSD 300, and with all predecessor of the power boxes, it uses one unique signal. It's a high-frequency pulse. This high-frequency pulse travels through the electrode, and it makes it circuit with the ground, and the magic happens at a molecular level that we can't even see, because you're fusing carbon to carbon to stabilize the metal. When you stabilize that metal, it turns hard. So then you're saving oil cans. When you're saving oil cans, you're making money. So there's no right way or wrong way to use the power box. You just put not even light pressure, just keep the wand there so the frequencies do their job. And it's like color with numbers. That's the most layman terms I can give you. Me personally, I use hash marks. And if I have a big stretch dent, I oil can. I push it up with the tool, then power box it, knock it down to get it flat and level and strength, put the strength back into it. But any good tech that's out there would know the difference and understand pushing and power boxing. And you could actually go from back in the traditional ways. We used to use cold spray and this and that with the oil can dents. Now with this, it's so fast and so good. I mean, I'm doing oil cans in under 10 minutes from start to finish. So, and with the new MSD 100, I've been experimenting with it for the last 2 weeks. It's a way better machine than the first two. We got it down, it works, and I think every technician that gets one is gonna really love it. Hey Chris, thank you very much for coming by our booth to allow us to show you the new Power PDR box. You can check us out on Instagram at Power PDR, our Facebook at Power PDR International, and go check out our website, powerpdr.net. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks, Chris.